Everybody says AI is out to take your job. It's not. It's going to take the jobs of the people that don't know how to use AI. That's where this sets everything apart. So thinking about the home services industry, we're looking at AI moving into the future. What is good, responsible AI? And what is the difference between AI and automation? So one big thing, one question I get asked all the time, they're like, usually from customers saying, hey, do you have any kind of AI automations in the system that automatically send emails when something goes into a certain status? And I am immediately there to say, well, number one, that is not AI. That is literally just an automation. But if you want to talk about AI automations, that's a whole nother story. So AI and automations are quite frequently interchanged with each other freely and by no way of knowing what is actually what. So an automation, think about it like this, is a job enters a lead status and we fire off an email to a customer thanking them for their booking a lead. And maybe we create a task in the software to automatically assign the job to a sales rep. That's simply an automation. There's no AI involved, no need to call an LLM, translate text, do anything like that. Now, proper AI usage would be maybe, hey, I have 3 clients that are needing emails or I have not followed up with yet, and I need to follow up with those 3 clients. So in this role, AI could potentially access something like an MCP server and hit different agents within that MCP server. And that would spin up maybe an agent to find all of the customers that need follow-up that haven't been followed up with, that have outstanding estimates. And then it will spin up an agent to draft an email. And then maybe it will spin up an agent to actually execute that email and send the email on your behalf after a prompt for approval. So those are a little bit of the difference between automations and AI automations, or really AI. So be careful about using them interchangeably because they're not. And there's a lot of softwares out there that are claiming to be very AI forward or AI native. They are not necessarily built on AI. They're just a ChatGPT wrapper around their existing application. It's hard to identify those sometimes. However, an AI native application is going to be an application that was built from the ground up using all the tools, and then the data was layered on top of it, not that it was built up and then data AI layer wrapped around it. So that's the difference between AI and automations. It's not out to take anybody's job unless you don't know how to use it. So start learning how to use AI and use it responsibly. We'll see you on the next one.